skyrocketing your click-through rates like a pro. We previously covered email open rates. We mentioned how important they are to get equally good click-through rates. But what are click-through rates? For those not in the know, click-through rates are the number of times that the content in your emails is clicked on. To put it simply, click-through rates are important because they show you how well your subscribers are interacting with the content in your emails. In this video, we are going to show you some nice tricks to skyrocket your click-through rates. Start by creating emails that are consistent with your brand and your website. Creating emails that are consistent with your brand's theme is not complicated. You simply have to add your logo and the feel of your brand all over your emails. This includes the type of images, the content, and the color scheme that you use. You can achieve this consistency in MailZingo by using the Inline Editor, a visual editor for your messages that will give you a nice degree of freedom to customize your emails, allowing you to add your logos, images, links, and color scheme. Likewise, the drag-and-drop email builder on Aweber will give you a lot of options to customize your emails as you wish, giving you the freedom to choose between designing your own emails or using templates to save time. Don't forget to make your emails responsive. There are many people that prefer to open their emails through their mobile devices. In fact, it has been determined that the percentage of emails opened on desktops is 28%, against a whopping 41% of emails opened on mobile devices. Whatever the case, it is important to keep the design of your emails organized, focused, and responsive. Both MailZingo and Aweber give you an advantage because both are built with responsive emails in mind. You just have to keep your emails uncluttered. Try to insert images in all of your emails. Sometimes it doesn't make sense to include images in some of your emails. It is true that your emails have to be as practical with images as well as without them, but you have to try to include images that make sense in the context of your emails as often as possible. This is because images help conversion rates on opened emails. It has been found that emails with images have a click-through rate 41% higher than emails without them. It is pretty easy to insert images in messages created with both MailZingo and Aweber. On MailZingo, the easiest way to insert images is by using editable templates to create emails. It only takes clicking on the images in your template of choice and using the media button to upload an image corresponding to your campaign. On the other hand, Aweber allows you to insert images with a simple button when you choose the drag-and-drop email builder. Simply grab the Image tab, drag it to the email field, and click on Click to edit. Use call-to-action buttons. Call-to-action buttons are very effective bait anywhere on the internet, and they are remarkably effective on promotional emails. Call-to-action buttons are designed to incite people to take action, and they vary on their uses, such as Go to Page or Buy Now. They will work wonders for your email marketing efforts when used correctly. One unbreakable rule when using CTA buttons on emails is that you can only include one CTA button per email to avoid the spam folder. The second unbreakable rule is to use the right placement. Place your CTA buttons on the right side of your content to use the most important focal area in your emails. A nice little trick is to use directional and subtle background cues to make CTA buttons stand out. Examples of this include using a white background for your template and strong, vivid colors for your CTA buttons. One last consideration is to use call-to-action buttons for important links only, and text URLs for less important links. MailZingo allows you to easily adjust the size, color, and background of text on emails, so you can create attention-grabbing call-to-action buttons without much effort when you use templates from the Inline Editor to create your emails. Aweber also allows you to create really cool CTA buttons when you use the drag-and-drop email builder by grabbing the Button tab and dragging it to the email field. You can edit it using the button box that will appear. It's as easy as that. How to dramatically increase your ROI. In simple words, return on investment, ROI, consists of a financial metric that evaluates how much money was earned on a business investment or as a percentage of the original cost. Applied to email marketing, here are some ideas to use it to increase ROI. Grow your email list. Use sign-up forms on your websites to gather new subscribers. Make them an offer they can't refuse. Don't ask for much personal information. Insert forms on your social media sites and optimize your landing page forms are all ways to use email marketing to generate leads. Segment your list. When you segment your email list, you can speak more directly with each of your subscribers to give them what they want to receive, and in that process make them buyers. There are some effective ways to segment your email list in addition to geography, demographics, and behavioral data. You can use segmentation based on subscriber engagement to identify your most active subscribers and focus on them. Segmentation by website behavior, segmentation by where customers shop, and segmentation by form abandoners. Keep your list clean. Keeping a clean email list is important for email marketing to maintain your reputation. You should check frequently to see how engaged your subscribers are. If they are not engaged, you could try to reactivate them or remove them from the list, so you'll have a list of just the people who are interested in what you offer. Test email performance and track the results. You can do A/B tests of delivered messages, calls to action, and subject lines to learn how people react. After that, you can see what works best and what your audience will like, make the changes you need, and improve ROI in the process. Make sure everything is mobile friendly. There are a lot of people that use smartphones to read emails. More than 50% of emails in the world are opened on a mobile device, so that's why it's important that your campaigns are optimized for mobile. Your subscribers will delete emails that don't display correctly in their smartphones. Use autoresponders. Email marketing offers you the tools to automate your efforts to make money even while you sleep. One of those tools that will make your work easier are autoresponders. You can schedule campaigns to send emails like purchase and shipping confirmations, sign-up confirmations, birthday emails, newsletters, follow-up messages, and more. Celebrate anniversaries. Take advantage of any special date to send a special email. Celebrate their birthday or their anniversary as a customer and make them a special offer or maybe a discount. This is a big opportunity to increase sales. Be as nice as possible. People like to do business with friends, so become a friend. Personalize messages, call them by name, and establish a friendlier atmosphere. You can also make surveys to gather opinions and preferences and maintain constant contact with them. If you do that, they will trust you and will become buyers. Provide value. If the emails you send provide valuable information to your readers, they will buy what you offer when they are ready. Offer useful content. The content you offer should provide something your readers can use, something that helps them solve a problem. You need to give an incentive to potential subscribers to actually register. Welcome to Section 5 and the last section of our Bing Ads video training. Additional tips to consider. In this section, we'll talk about do's and don'ts, premium tools and services to consider, shocking case studies, and frequently asked questions. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. Do's and don'ts. Do's. Segment your contact list. Listing subscribers on different lists according to age, location, and preferences helps you communicate with them more effectively and thus increases the possibility of being read. Plan and set specific goals. Prepare a calendar with the tasks to be done. It's best to set a clear goal and follow a good plan to achieve it. Use highly effective tools. Using a good professional email marketing tool helps you make the job easier because it includes pre-designed templates and lets you track the results of each action. Test as much as possible. Send tests to different email providers and check if the message is being seen correctly, because each email provider has a different way of displaying content. Set a comfortable frequency of sending mails. Do not keep a very low frequency for sending emails to customers, but don't send too many emails because they can get tired and unsubscribe. Analyze your results. The reports help you analyze the behavior of users in each campaign, so you can test and modify what is necessary to improve and create more effective campaigns. Split test your opt-in pages. Split testing allows you to test different opt-in pages and learn which form gets the best results by generating the most subscribers. Include an unsubscribe link. Let the reader unsubscribe by using a link in your email. Those who are no longer interested can leave whenever they want, and your emails can avoid being marked as spam. Think about mobile phones. Millions of people use their cell phones to open their email, so use a design that allows the message content to fit the screen size of the mobile device. Include the sender's data. Including your real name next to the company name helps people have more confidence in you. Don'ts. Don't buy contact lists. None of the people in that list have given you permission to send them emails, so they won't open them, and your emails could be marked as spam. Don't send emails just to sell. The main goal of email marketing is to build a relationship of trust with subscribers to become buyers, so don't just send them sales ads. Don't use a personal email account. If you do this, you're not showing professionalism to the person to whom you want to sell your products. Don't write a misleading email subject. If the subject has nothing to do with the message, it will surely be erased and give you a bad reputation. Don't lose contact with subscribers. Maintain a constant relationship with subscribers. Offer them content of value that keeps them interested, always expecting more, and make them loyal. Don't create complicated forms. When forms are not easy to fill out and ask for a lot of data, readers may become uncomfortable and leave the page without subscribing. Don't break the rules of spam. There are some restrictions that apply to email marketing to keep you from being marked as spam. For example, don't use words like offer, free, or discount. And don't send false information. Don't send generic emails. Call people by name, congratulate them, explain why your product can change their life. Impersonal emails are of no interest to anyone. Don't send too much content in your emails. Very long emails can lead to laziness in people and make them not read the email. That is why emails must be simple, specific, and contain images. Don't stop trying. If the first attempt doesn't work, don't stop. Perseverance leads to success.